Docker packages your app with everything it needs, so it runs the same on any machine. In this guide, you'll install Docker Desktop and run your very first container. Let's get started.
What is Docker? Think of a container like a shipping box. It carries your app and all its dependencies together. A virtual machine ships a whole operating system, which is heavy and slow. A container shares your computer's kernel, so it starts in seconds. Build an image once and run it anywhere. Before we start, let's check your system. You need a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 PC or a Mac with an Intel or Apple Silicon chip, at least 4 GB of RAM and about 6 GB of free disk space. And make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. The good news? No other tools are needed.
On Windows, Docker uses WSL2. First, check that virtualization is on. Open Task Manager and look at the Performance tab. It should say Virtualization Enabled. Then open PowerShell as administrator and type WSL-install. This sets up everything automatically. Restart your PC when prompted.
Now let's download Docker. Always use the official site, docker.com. Click Get Started and open the download section. You'll see a button for every system. On Windows, click Download for Windows, AMD64. The installer downloads automatically.
Double-click the installer. On the configuration screen, keep Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V checked. This is the recommended backend. Then click OK. Wait for the progress bar to finish. When it says Installation Succeeded, click Close and log out. Then log back into Windows. On a Mac, first check your chip. Go to About This Mac. If it says Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, download the Apple Silicon build. Open the DMG file and drag Docker into your Applications folder. Then launch Docker. Click Open, enter your Mac password, and accept the agreement. That's it.
Now the first run. Launch Docker Desktop and accept the subscription service agreement. You can skip signing in for now. Watch the whale icon in your taskbar. While the engine starts, it animates. When it stops moving, Docker is ready.
Let's verify the installation. Open a new terminal and type docker -- version. You should see the Docker version. Next, type docker compose version to confirm compose is ready. The same commands work on Windows and Mac.
Time for the classic test. Type docker run hello world and press enter. Docker pulls the image and runs it. There it is. Hello from Docker. Your installation is working. Type docker ps-a to see your first container. Status: exited 0 means it ran successfully.
Want to see a real app? Let's run a web server. Type docker run -d-name web-p 8080 to 80.dov nginx. Open your browser and go to localhost 8080. Welcome to nginx. Docker Desktop shows the container running. Stop at any time with docker stop web.
That's all it takes. Check your requirements. Install WSL2 on Windows, download Docker Desktop from the official site, and test it with Hello World. Docker is ready. Now go build something amazing. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy containerizing!